Hi, this is Mrs. MacPhee, and this is for my pre-algebra class. Tonight's homework to do over the weekend is page 489, 20 to 27, and we've been working on a little bit with the Pythagorean Theorem, which again will be most of our quiz on next Friday. And a lot of the homework is just asking you this weekend to determine whether or not, given three sides of a triangle, is it a right triangle? And to test that, we're going to put the numbers into the Pythagorean Theorem. I chose this problem because I thought when students see these numbers under the radical, these square root numbers, they might panic a little bit, but actually these numbers make the problem even easier. So let's go ahead and substitute and prove that to you. A is 11, so we have 11 squared plus the square root of 55 squared equals the square root of 177 squared. And I'm not sure, so right now I'm going to put a big question mark there because I have to determine if the sum of a squared and b squared will equal c squared. We did problems with squaring square root earlier in the week, and we talked in an example of like the square root of 16 times the square root of 16, which is the square root of 16 squared. If we look at this simpler problem, the square root of 16 is 4, times the square root of 16 again, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So if we square a square root, those two operations cancel each other out, which means a squared is 121. The square root of 55 squared is just 55. Does that equal the square root of 177 squared, or 177? I'm going to add my a squared and b squared together, and I get 176. That does not equal 177, which means that no, this is not a right triangle. Remember to show your work and your substitution. Make sure that you interpret your final answer with a yes or a no. Hope this answers some of your questions, and I look forward to seeing you Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye.